How to fix Google Chrome download failed network error. So if you are getting download failed network error on your Google Chrome browser, whether you're using mobile or Windows or Mac OS, this could be happening due to various reasons. First of all, once you open up your Chrome browser, the first thing you want to make sure it's not an issue with the internet connection itself. So go to your Wi-Fi, try to go to your Wi-Fi settings, check if your Wi-Fi is working just fine. If you have other Wi-Fi networks, try connecting to those Wi-Fi networks as well, and just see if those actually help you solve the problem. Now, once you've done that, if it helps you solve the problem, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, simply open up your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dots icon located at the top right hand side, and from there you want to simply navigate towards the menu icon that says settings. From settings, on the bottom left of the screen you can see about Chrome section. When you go to about Chrome, it will check if the Chrome browser has an update, and if it does, it will start updating your browser, and hopefully that would help you solve it and try to relaunch it as well. Sometimes what could be happening is that the file that you're trying to download or the server itself could be slow. So try to check if you've been able to download other files. If you're being able to download other files but not that file, there could be an issue with the file or with that server you're trying to download from. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.